you get to see what you really look like. He's looking how my back feels after this flipping week. This is the first break we've had in the weather all day. It's just been hell. Lots of rain, which, as you can probably imagine, has not gone well for the garden. So I'm going to show you the damage. Yeah, not too bad here. This will fix. We bought some grass seed, so that's good. This is not so good because it's not been squashed down. It's now going down by itself. We've got a bit more dirt to put on this lot here. Hopefully that's enough to fill it in. Yeah, but good news over here, which we'll get to in a second. This looks horrendous, but it's not too bad, not too big of a deal, because it's on the grass. This can be fixed easy. It's the drive that we were most concerned about. Oh. And yeah, as you can see, other than a bit of scabbiness on this edge, which we couldn't really avoid, we still have a drive. So I would call that mission success, really. There's just a few little bits where the tarp split, but if we hadn't put the tarp down, the whole drive would have looked like that. So it was worth the extra faff. This does not look good. Oh dear. I was driving over this. I had the yellow tractor down here yesterday to help clearing all of this mud, and I tried to level this as well. It's better than it was. Not perfect, but yeah. And then we've put a load of this wood chip down just to try and help so we can stand on it without sinking, basically. But once this dries out a little bit, I'll go over it either with the Pajero or the tractor and squash it out flat. But yeah, it's pretty rough out here at the minute. There's the tap. Still got quite a bit of dirt needs to go into it. So yeah, that's how we're looking. And as long as we stay up there and look that way, nothing ever happened. Trouble at the minute, we can't really do much with this because it's all clay, and now it's wet. It's just like glue, basically. So I'm going to have to wait a bit. I don't know, see what the weather's like tomorrow. We might have to start trying to at least shovel some of it tomorrow. Get it into that trench.
Alright, Bob.
What you doing, Bob?
I thought you got lost in.
What do you make of it? We've got raspberries over here.
They're all gone like...
Yeah, they're a bit scabby, aren't they?
Yeah, they've got bugs in them and stuff. Look! A real life bug. Can you see it?
Right. Sort of. The part finally turned up for my van. Not that I've been able to look at it yet. Oh god, look at this. The bloody disc's going rusty. Being out in the rain. Yeah, I've not even flipping unwrapped it. I've been so busy. So hopefully we're going to get some dry weather now, and then I can get on with that. Get this thing back together, tested, and back on the road, because this is a joke.
Where should I grab from here? Because this needs quite a lot still.
Yeah, but the main focus is the drive, because that's the main thing, isn't it?
Yeah, I suppose.
Right, if there's a ditch over there, we can fix that later, but we want the drive back together. Oh god, it's ripped it.
Yeah, it's
You try and aim in this hole here.
there.
Yeah, because we're starting to trap the water. We need to get all of this higher, and then it should start going down there.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
We decided to seize the opportunity while it wasn't raining and move some more of that horrific clay. So yeah, I did plan on doing this today, the next stage, but it's going to be a job for tomorrow now. So this is what we're going to be building, this wonderful contraption. Went back to the guy today and got the extra parts that we need. So I'll connect all of this together, and then this thing on the top of here is a gland, rubber gland thing, and in there will be going this cable, which is heating wire. It should be 10 metres. I hope it's 10 metres. But you can buy this as a kit, which is what we're going to do. I didn't realise you could like make it up yourself. He had a massive reel of it, and yeah. So we've got that, and then the bits that go with it. It's just a load of heat shrink. But that actually goes inside the pipe down the tube, and hopefully quite a way out, although I think we probably should have bought more. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't freeze, because that would really suck. I've got instructions on how to do it. Looks pretty straightforward, to be fair. You just connect this to normal mains cable and go from there. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, so we will tackle that job tomorrow. Putting off the running water for another day. Alright, see you in a bit.